Juvia's Masquerade palette first, and the first shade that I'm going to apply is this pink right here. And guys, remember, when you're doing any eye look, you don't need that palette necessarily, but if you can find that shade that the person's using, you can always recreate that look. So I'm gonna use a crease brush, and I'm gonna apply that on my upper eye. The shades that are in the Juvia's palette, they blend really good. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe M503 brush. Okay, next using my Morphe 330 brush, I'm going to apply this purple shimmer shade right here. And I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm just going to apply that a little bit under that pink. Completely blend out. To cut my crease, I'm using my BLUE Cut Crease. Where? Okay guys, I'm back. I had to leave because they had a gas leak near my house and we had to evacuate, so let's continue. And the trick to do this, you always want to apply at the bottom of your eye. And then you look up. You look up and it'll show you where you should end your cut crease. Right, and I'm just gonna smooth it out with Morphe 124 brush.
That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Try to get it as clean as I can.
This is when you were broke and poor.
And just pat that in to get it even.
People that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize.
Okay, and while that's wet, I'm going to apply this blue shade in the Juvia's palette. This one right here, using a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm gonna pat that in first, just to get that base on there. And then I'll start to blend at the top once I have it all the way on my eye.
Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was gonna make $10 million in dollars.
Okay, now that I have that applied, I'm gonna use that same crease brush that I had for the purple, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges of that cut crease. I'm just gonna apply that purple shade to my bottom lash line. Some of that purple over the end of the cut crease to make it blend. Alright, and I'm gonna tap some of that blue to the middle of my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna use my concealer to clean up around my eye. Spraying my sponge just to get it wet. And then blend it out. Okay, now using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm gonna apply that under my eye and on my T-zones. I'm gonna spray my face. Oh, you want me looking dead? I'm gonna use my heavy metal glitter in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just gonna line the middle of my cut crease.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize, Okay,
I'm gonna apply my lashes. I grabbed some from Walgreens. Have these 2 packs. I think I'm going to apply these and double them up, and I'll be back.
To me that I wanted or whatever, drive home.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!